Replace. How to replace the last occurrence of an expression in a string. Is there a quick way in Python to replace strings but, instead of starting from the beginning as replace does, starting from the end? For example,
here is a one-liner. Return a copy of string S with all occurrences of substring old replaced by new. The first max replace occurrences are replaced. And a full example of this in use.
I'm not going to pretend that this is the most efficient way of doing it, but it's a simple way. It reverses all the strings in question, performs an ordinary replacement using str.replace on the reverse strings, then reverses the result back the right way round.
just reverse the string, replace first occurrence and reverse it again. Output.
If you want to see more, please